November 0, Whiskey Alpha Echo.
My first SOTA. That signal just traveled almost 1,000 miles with bounces off the ionosphere from a park bench at the top of the Sandia Crest. No fancy setup from home, just a bike and a backpack full of gear. The question is, who's going to answer? We shall see. Getting ready to head that way to the top of the Sandia Mountains right there, what's known as Sandia Crest. And that's a spot where I'm going to do a Summits on the Air activation, my first one. And hopefully the road's open because they're going to close that whole area down, clear out dead wood and everything. And so I want to get up there before they do that because it's going to be closed for a couple years. So let's go see if we can get up there. The nice thing about this is it's such a nice road that it doesn't matter if we're making any contacts on the radio today or not. Let's go up top first. Sandia Crest. All this is going to be redone. They're tearing that down. Redo the bathrooms. Maybe the walkways for the next 2 years. So we had to get up here, check it out. Hopefully do a good Summits on the Air activation with the ham radio. Call it a day. Give you a quick view first. Of Albuquerque. And the Sandia Mountains. Pretty sweet. I think those things right there are going to be a problem, potentially. This will cause a lot of interference for me with the radio, but we'll see. We're going to head down. Get as far away from those as we can. Antenna. Tripod. Battery.
A few minutes later. A few minutes later. A few minutes later.
Hi. I do. It's a lot of effort. I hope it works. Yeah, it's a ham radio thing. I'm going to try and talk to some people. Difficult because of all those over there.
Yeah,
a lot of interference.
They're a little bigger.
Yeah, and they cause a lot of interference.
So funny, we live down in Rio Rancho and you look up there all the time and say, oh, there they are.
Yeah,
Still there.
easy to spot.
That's here's a friend.
Yeah. All right. We're getting closer. Actually, first thing we're going to do, check this antenna. See what that reflected power is looking like. Not great. 2-to-1, but got a manual tuner anyway, so that's okay. Sorry, I'm blocking the. I'm just making it all my area. Ham radio stuff
cool.
just playing. Yeah. This isn't the best setup, so we'll. Oh man, I nailed that. Wow. Got lucky. Hardly any tuning required. We have a tuned up radio, and now see if I can do what's known as spotting myself, where I put the frequency that I'm on, and people know what frequency to listen to and see if they can make contact with me. We shall see. All right, found a good frequency, and I'm about to spot myself for the first time. I don't know what that P means, but I'm spotted. Let's see if we can make something happen. SOTA, 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 Summit's on the air, Summit's on the air. Kilo Echo 4, Yankee Romeo X-Ray, KE4, YRX at Sandia Peak in New Mexico. SOTA, 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 Kilo Echo 4, Yankee Romeo X-Ray.
November 0, Whiskey Alpha Echo.
November 0, Whiskey Alpha Echo. I have you booming 5.9 plus something, 20 it sounds like.
Well, thank you for the report. You also have a good signal, 5-7 into Montana.
Oh, awesome. Montana. My first SOTA contact, by the way, so I appreciate you getting in here to me.
All righty, well, thank you for doing all the work, and hopefully we'll contact you again in 73, my friend.
73, thank you. My first SOTA from Montana to Montana. Nice. Sweet.
KE4YRX, do you copy Kilo 7, Mike Alpha Sierra?
Kilo 7, Mike Alpha Sierra. I have you booming 5.9 into Sandia Peak here at SI001.
Yeah, very good. I saw the spot. Also saw that your first SOTA activation. Is that correct?
It is, and you almost made it my very first contact. Somebody from Montana, November 0, Whiskey Alpha Echo actually got in here. But where are you at, by the way?
Yeah, very good. Been there, done that. I've activated Sandia Peak last fall when we spent about 2 weeks in New Mexico. Nice place. I love it there. Anyway, good luck on your career. I'm 450 maybe activations, closing in on triple gold. Anyway, long career ahead of you. Good luck and enjoy your activation.
Thank you. You the man, that's for sure. I'm at 1 and you're at 400 plus. That's amazing. I'll try to get there someday. Good talking to you, 73. Whiskey Bravo 6 one more time.
Whiskey Bravo 6, Papa Oscar Tango. Whiskey 7 Delta. November 6th. November 5 X-ray Romeo. Juliet Hotel. Whiskey Uniform 7 Hotel. 6 X-ray Romeo Golf. And Norway 6 Japan Whiskey. Kilo 6 Yankee Kilo.
Are you filming what you're doing? Or?
Yeah.
Okay, you're filming right now, you'll edit it out or
yeah.
You put it on YouTube or anything? Or?
Yeah, I just got a little, I don't get paid. I have 600 subscribers, but I doubt, usually most of my videos get like 100 views. Okay. I just do it for me and make videos so my daughter after I'm gone.
I'm from Michigan.
Are you? Okay.
Yeah. Here, I work for Ford Motor Company. We're testing vehicles.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Around here?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Truck and trailer down there.
Oh,
Just
okay.
ran this grade.
Huh.
I ran it twice today. I'm going to do it one more time with another engine
Sweet.
calibration.
Get paid to drive around the country
We started in Arizona and Phoenix.
Huh.
And then we got a proving ground there.
Oh, yeah.
So then we
I might
went
have heard
from
of
there
that.
to Flagstaff, and from Flagstaff to here.
Huh.
And then we'll go back that route, If I catch your call sign there, and I could just catch you on YouTube.
Oh, sure. I mean, my YouTube channel is 2 Bikes and a Drone. I got a little sticker on the front of the bike to make it easier to take a picture of, but it's not that good, man. Find something different if you're bored, if you're really bored.
Yeah, no, that's all right. I got some colleagues. I'm like, I hadn't met this guy at the top of the summit, and they'd like
Doing ham radio. Yeah, it's 2 Bikes and a Drone. I got 1 bike and a half. The other one's not running right now. Drone I might put up. It's not very windy.
Do this stuff, meet other people.
Yeah.
Different perspectives and stuff. So.
Yeah, for sure.
Cool.
Yeah, good talking to you.
You too.
Yeah. That may be it. I'm okay with that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 contacts. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I'm calling it good. They keep coming. And I still haven't finished my sandwich, which, man, this dry air is drying my poor sandwich straight up. It's a pretty day to be out here, sitting on a park bench, playing ham radio, getting all kinds of contacts. Crazy. So far, the North Carolina, Michigan, Tennessee, this is about far east. Some Utahs, Idahos, lots of Californias, and some Washington states, some Oregons. So both directions, pretty good. Not bad for that antenna. Nothing special about that antenna. Kilo Echo 4 Yankee Romeo X-ray, clear. What a good day, man. God, what a good day of ham radio. Crazy. It's not very difficult. Even getting your ham radio license isn't very difficult. It's not for everyone. Seems kind of geeky to some people, but being able to set up a radio with a battery and antenna that you just, unfold and be able to talk to people around the country, it's pretty fun. Pretty good challenge. And of course, I use it as an excuse to take that thing over there. Where is it at? I can't even see this screen good enough to say. But anyway, ride that motorcycle, any excuse I can get. So that's it. That's a wrap on Sandia Crest, New Mexico, outside of Albuquerque. Made some good contacts. Have to figure out how to log all this stuff in to give these people their credit and give me credit for. Can't see it, but a bunch of contacts here. 25, 30 contacts probably. Pretty good. Only need 4. Pretty easy summit though. I can drive right up to it as long as I use the battery. It's all good. So, and that's it. That's a wrap on this. Appreciate you coming along. Hope you enjoyed my first summits on the air. I have at least one other place I want to go to, but there'll be more than that because this is a lot of fun. That and parks on the air. So enjoy ham radio. Hope you subscribe maybe, or have to subscribe. Just hope you catch me on the YouTube doing my ham radio thing, or just riding a bike to different places. Thanks for coming along. See you next time.